In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional portfolio using a Google Sites template. Whether you're looking to showcase your creative work, professional projects, or simply want to create a space that reflects your achievements, a Google Sites portfolio can be a perfect solution. Not only is it straightforward to set up, but it also allows for a great deal of customization, ensuring your portfolio is unique and personalized to your style. So let's dive right in. To start off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Sites. You can do this by typing Google Sites into your search engine or by directly entering sites.google.com into the address bar. If you haven't already, make sure you are logged into your Google account, as this will allow you to save and access your progress easily. Once you have landed on the Google Sites homepage, look for the option labeled Portfolio. It should be easy to spot among the various template categories. Clicking on Portfolio will open a pre-designed template specifically created to help you showcase your work in a professional and visually appealing manner. Now that you have opened the template, it's time to make it your own. Google Sites provides a range of editing tools that allow you to adapt the template to better suit your personal style and the type of portfolio you're looking to create. Consider starting by adjusting the layout to match the content you want to include. You can drag and drop sections and resize or rearrange text and image blocks with ease. Customization doesn't stop at layout. Feel free to explore the various themes and design elements available. Change the colors, fonts, and overall theme to ensure the portfolio reflects your personal brand or artistic taste. This is an opportunity to not just show what you've done, but also to express who you are. Don't forget to include sections like an About Me, where you can introduce yourself and provide background information that adds context to your portfolio. Additionally, consider adding a contact section to make it easy for visitors to get in touch, whether they are potential employers, clients, or collaborators. One of the best features of Google Sites is the ability to seamlessly integrate other Google services and embed multimedia content. If relevant, link to your Google Drive, include YouTube videos, or embed presentations from Google Slides to provide a richer experience for your portfolio visitors. Once you're satisfied with the edits, make sure to preview your site to see how it will look to others. This is a great time to make any final tweaks before you publish. Finally, when you're happy with everything, hit the publish button at the top. You'll be able to choose your site address and manage privacy settings. And just like that, your professional portfolio is live and ready to share with the world. That's all there is to it. Creating a stunning and professional portfolio with Google Sites is both intuitive and highly customizable. I hope this walkthrough inspires you to start yours today.